Get behind that microphone, it can be a whole different ball of wax.
True indeed.
Yeah, but it's fun. I mean, but you gotta have confidence. I mean, Chen and I spoke a little bit last week, but about getting behind the booth. I mean, singing in the shower and writing music and everything. That's one step, and it's a very important step because it's where you find your voice. But getting into the booth and replicating what you did at home in the bedroom is really important. So every time I'm listening to a track and watching the artist and watching him do his thing, I'm thinking of ideas on how I can contribute and take that track to the next level. But that's my job, is to speak their language. But it's also very helpful when the artist is familiar with what I do, that allows us to communicate on a more technical level so that I can help them achieve a sound that they hear in their head that they're not necessarily hearing in the system. And when they can speak on that level, then I can help them and we can move faster and the creative process flows.
Influenced by you, then you leave me just like you do. Always telling me this is love. I can't ever seem to get enough.
Trying to impress you, but learning that I can't. Your love is not true. We've been living a lie. Against booze tonight. I'm not trying to lose tonight. Is it gonna be me and you tonight? Gonna be me and you for life? I know it's wrong, but it feels so right.
It's really important through the recording process and just as you guys are creating your albums and projects and as you're moving forward in your career, to have a team. And it's not, I mean, of course, it's great to be able to sit and do things on your own and to take things from start to finish, to write the song, to record it, to mix it and sell it. And if you can do all those things on your own, God bless you, more power to you.
Think back to my career. I recorded my first song ever in a bedroom on a 4-track recorder. You guys are in a professional recording studio in Midtown Manhattan.
I mean, this is crazy.
Getting this,
the opportunity you guys are having.
Yeah,
it's unreal.
Exactly. So when I was your age, that was my experience, and it's taken, you know, I mean, I've had a number of experiences, but now you guys have an advantage because you're seeing it from like this 3,000-foot bird's eye view of what's possible.
Mm-hmm.
So take advantage of it, you know. And once again, thanks to Joe for even opening up, you know, his establishment to make this happen, because it doesn't happen every day.
I ain't trying to impress you, but learning that I can't. Your love is not true. We've been living a lie. I feel like you don't know who I am deep inside. But it's time to take the mask off and be true to myself. Gotta live my life just like everybody else. I don't wanna do this anymore. I just wanna be